Life's a bitch, I'm here to dim your lights like an eclipse. Let me flip, I want your body framed like a G-clip. Bits I have, mixed with wrath, I'm unstoppable like epidemics. So if the gimmick is disposed of, it's no love. I throw a bolo to his head like a gold club. Now greener days are coming to me like I sold bud. Your nickel sack raps ain't fucking with a whole dub. Promotion pretty, really niggy, but your flow's hug. See, I've been living in the darkness for some time. With metaphors, creative flows, and punchlines. To move my status to the baddest of the unsigned. A title once mine. I enter ceremonies with the humblest of attitudes. I fly the fools, but if they battle, I'ma have to battle through. So who? The next kid in line for execution. I'm ready to go to war for I'm flying with revolution and conclusion. I sink into your thoughts like telepathy, don't ever be, cause I can put your intellect in jeopardy. You better see like it with prescriptions on they headpiece of lead leads in your fit the description of a deadbeat. So cease, you only bring yourself, man, objection, pay attention. For you up now in the third dimension and it's so. Man one, from another dimension. 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 You've been warned, so let's beware of a contender. Boggle with brain benders, lyrics up with that sender. Lesson on the trip as I flip the diction. With this prescription, I kill the fiction and fairy tales. Scary spells in my book of reality. Hassle me and you'll see that you'll get took when you battle me, man. What is the plan for you? Simply less intelligent. Irrelevant back MCs when you go against the heaven sent you lose. Who chooses the fate of the defeated? The state I like repeat when I dissent would be conceited. And indeed it is a trait that I possess but seldom show it. My world be open mic and it's a fight that welcomes poets. Oh, it's a bit too much for those who lust for lyricism. The feelings of your lungs are getting butted with your ism. You wanted what you feel is something real is what I give them. My text is in a lack of what I call the third dimension and it's on. Man one, from another dimension. 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 It's of the land of a man in my stomping ground. I rub the blocks of Camelot where my corpus clown down. Who I can seize be the motto of my area. We're ripping in a stretch with the force of a terrier bit. Soon as I grip in your flesh at every syllable. Until it's you, not really fool, you know your gap is pullable. But still you do things that's defined as suicidal. When it's vital that you lounge or drink a brew with your idol. Vital cannot relieve the brutal headache I'll be giving you. So listen to the warning of a king who could be ripping you. True, from the abyss I rise out of the darkness. Walk with stereotype heights. I'm about to spark the syrup. I bring it terror through techniques you ain't developed. When head up I keep the wreck of contenders to shut the hell up and realize still I kill too many for comprehension. Lynching when they step in the world of the third dimension. Man one, from another 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 dimension.
Saatana. Ei helvetti, että oli lähellä. Mitä vittua? Tällainen video, ei jumalauta. Yriks lujaa? Ei, mä olin tossa äsken ojaa mieluummin törmäämään. Ei, mulla ovi auki, että päässyt peihin.